Well, hello everybody. Starting to look like a gun shop again. I cleaned the shop, reorganized it here a month ago, and then that created workbench space that almost immediately became covered with a couple of projects that had to be done. The compressor broke another valve, so I bought some different kind of valves, reed valves, and then broke an oil ring. So putting it back together. I was dumb. So now it's got a new set of rings as well, and honed the inside of the cylinders rather significantly. It actually, it's old. It's 1970s. Great old Campbell Hausfeld 2 VT twin cylinder. Anyway, you're looking at a workbench right now with a bunch of old guns laid out on it. These are air guns that all need various kinds of restoration and repair work for somebody. But what is really occupying my attention is, look, the duplicator's cleared off. I'm over here at the milling machine. Oh, let me zoom out here. So this is the project. I think I shot a little bit of video. If so, you'll see it before hearing this part, where I milled a piece of 2x material, 3/16" thick, glued it on top of the forearm of this, and I got it in the milling machine to open it up to expose the inletting. And I'll be really careful because I can't see what's going on in there right now, but once I get a big hole, it'll be easy, I think. And it's really kind of fun. I'm getting to use my full size, what is that, a 6-inch, I believe, milling machine vise, intended for like a big Bridgeport or some other full-size milling machine. This is a mid-size mill, a bench mill called Benchmaster. It's an old all-steel, real knee type milling machine. Boy, that was hard to say. And I added digital readouts to it. It's super accurate. I make it do a big boy's job, even though it's a modest sized tool. And here it is wearing a giant vise. So I'm going to shut up and turn on the milling machine and get to opening that up. I got to turn this little thing around. Okie dokie. Yep, it's a nice day today. It's only 88 here in the shop. Okay. I'll do it in two bites. I gotta get a light so I can look in the hole. So I find I'm having to use, I think they call it a climbing cut. It's rotating this way, cutting to pull the wood in. If I go the other way, it just wants to rip it. And that's not a problem right now, but it's gonna get down to where it's really skinny. So I gotta remember to go this way around. This table doesn't have enough travel to do the whole cut from one holding position, so I'm going to have to reposition it. That reaches the end. The reason for the big vise is because of the pistol grip. It's so vertical down here. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's a vertical pistol grip, so it's on the table, putting the forearm way up here, so I had to use the big vise. The one thing I find I have to remember to do when moving in a new axis, like if I want to move this way, like I am right now, I can't look at it from this angle. I won't know if I'm going the right way or the wrong way or how far I've gone. But if you look this way, you can see with the slightest motion exactly what's going on. So I have to remind myself to look 90 degrees to whatever direction I'm moving in. And yeah, I don't know, you probably didn't think it was cool. I put my finger in there, but I was far from the cutter and I was very firm with my motion, and I have good hand-eye coordination, and I don't know how close you're supposed to feel comfortable with moving next to a spinning bit, but I felt that I was safe and I was firm and I was several inches away. Maybe it wasn't cool, but I haven't had a shop injury yet and I don't plan on it. I can see what's going on good now, though. I haven't decided if I want to try to mill it up to the edge or finish it with a drum sander or a burr by hand. I'll probably just use the milling machine. I didn't put any time into seeing if I'm square or if I can get my hand in the camera this way. So I'm hesitant to get really close to the inside of the forearm because it could head into it. I'm starting to cut glue. Oh yeah, I'm going the wrong way, but it's a tiny cut. No, that was a knot. A little knot. Well, it's very close. And it feels even, so I'm going to go a little closer. It was too close for comfort. Okay, here we go. We're very close. Well, it feels like it might be getting closer down here. Let's see how it goes. I think I want a little deeper so I can see if it touches the stock. And that's that knot again. Very nice. Let's try a little closer. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, I think I should be wearing breathing. It doesn't look like there's much dust, but I'm coughing like there's some dust. Oh yeah, just slightly proud. Right here. Might finish that with the block sander. Oh, going the wrong way again. Oh, it's very close. Nice. It's angling away a little bit, which is good. Oh, there's a knot. Oh boy. Well, that's close enough, I think, with this bit. I'm going to have to use a 1/4-inch bit in order to get the corner rounds right. So I'm going to go ahead and reposition this. So I finished, or very nearly finished, this by hand with the burr. So not exactly by hand, but not in the milling machine. And now I'm going to cut out the barrel opening here with a round bit. Sorry if I got my head in the way there. No, I think that's good. Over to the belt sander, do the outside. And I'm going to have to work around here with sanding drums, like the thumb rest here. I'm going to have to work that up through there. It's unfortunate, it's got a wide end of a forearm. These always take a ton more time because when it's out of the milling machine, it comes out really rough. You put the forearm on the belt sander, it comes out nice and smooth really quick. When you got two widths, skinny and fat, you can't do that, and it's a lot more effort. Did impact the wide part a little bit on the belt sander taking this down, but that's okay because I got to do some bondoing anyway. And by having done that, I noticed that it was not carved even. So we'll go put some bondo on this and all along here and get that all shaped up nice and smooth. And then, oh yeah, maybe at the same time we got to build up the inletting. So, ooh, let's see if the action fits. Let me get everything steel out of the way of it. Last year's turkey beard. Waiting for some hot melt glue. Oh, I am dripping sweat. That's sweat. It is pouring off of me. I don't expect it to really fit, but let's just see here. Oh, well, it does fit. Oh yeah, it's going to be built up in the front some, of course. I don't know if you can see that. Well, it wants to fall down in the front, so it's not there. I'm looking in the viewfinder, so I'm kind of seeing what you're seeing. Just got to come up a little bit there. Left and right looks pretty good. Yeah, we're going to have to work the opening here. The opening looks off center right now. Oh, that's probably because it's hitting up here. Oh yeah, it's just going to be like inletting a stock. It's going to be another hour or two of playing with that to get it to fit good, get the Bondo nice. So yeah, I think I'll go see if there's enough in the camera to put up on YouTube, get that processed, because now we're going to be at a slightly different set of steps, bondoing and inletting. It's almost like making two gun stocks. Alright, well this is a fun project, and check back soon. Sorry it's been a while since I posted. I've actually got quite a bit of content in the camera from another project, so I'll get that posted up soon on the adventure van. But please, if you're watching, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. All those things help Google's algorithm for my tiny little fledgling channel. The only reason I do it is hopes that I learn from you all, that you all share with me better techniques than I'm doing, and that, you know, maybe I'll help some of you or somebody years from now, because things we put on the internet stay forever, right? Thanks everybody for watching. I'll be back real soon.